We are going to recreate this Dollar Tree Halloween floral skull decor, but we are going to do it in our own way. Everything that we are using for this DIY decor we already have, so no wasting money on craft supplies from Dollar Tree or any other stores. Add your skull in the middle of the tray and then start adding your flowers around the skull. I decided to stay with the traditional colors of Halloween for this decor, but you can use whatever color of flowers you have. Use your glue gun to glue the flowers down around the skull. Continue doing this until the whole tray is covered in flowers, then glue down your skull. You are going to need a black hat for the skull. I had this Christmas top hat that I got on clearance a few years ago from Dollar Tree for 25 cents, so I spray painted the hat black. The other items I added were small orange and purple roses alongside of the tray. Here is the finished Halloween floral skull decor.